2017 Mitsubishi Outlander. This is the 2.4 model. If yours is the 3.0, that'll be different. But positive side is if it is a 2.4, this covers several years. I think back to 2011 up to 2020 or 2021. So what happened was someone stole the catalytic converter. So I'll show you on the new part. This right here is, a lot of these get stolen each year, so I'm going to show you guys how to take it all off, put a new one on, and where to get the cheap one. This one was only, I think, $300 for this whole exhaust set. This is one piece, and then that's the second piece. So what I did was I went ahead, pretty much from here to here is all that was cut off, barely anything, but that did cover the O2 sensors upstream and downstream. This car only has 2 since it's a 4-cylinder. The 3.0 has 4 O2 sensors, so you're gonna have to buy new O2 sensors, and at the auto parts store, one of them's like $270 and the other's close to $200. So get those off Amazon. And then here's that part. I think it's on Parts Geek website. The easiest way to do this is, since these are usually rusted really bad, is I went ahead and took everything off. You can use a pry bar on this side. That one's usually the hardest to get off. Then you have one right here. And then one up there. And then you have 2 18mm nuts that hold the front of it. And that's good. It does come with some new gaskets because it definitely needs it. So this is just an overview. I'm going to post a second video of me doing the work. I'm going to go ahead and use a induction heater to try to get these bolts off. That's not going to be fun, but it is what it is.